To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Hi Detective, welcome back. I was just thinking about this umbrella that I swear I saw it somewhere. Maybe I'll need some help. Can you help me? You can? Okay, because I need to find this umbrella because it's magical. It is. I swear. It has magical powers. But if we're going to find it, we've got to call Sound Monster. Ready? Call him. Sound Monster! Sound Monster! Where are you, Sound Monster? There you are, Sound Monster. I lost my magical umbrella. Oh, well, I saw a magical umbrella, and I think it was with a unicorn. Should we go find it? Yes, please. What can we do, though, to find this missing letter with our magical umbrella? Every time that you hear the sound, I want you to point up. Okay, I think we can do it. All right, do you remember your job? Every time you hear the sound, you're gonna point up. Yuma, the unicorn, lost her umbrella. She used her magic to help the puppy up the stairs to find the umbrella. The puppy went up, up, up. The puppy found the umbrella upside down in the attic. What? They found my umbrella. Let's see here. I see the puppy that went up. He found my umbrella. Thank you, puppy. What letter do you have? That's the letter U. Its name is U. Can you say U? Can you say U? What's its name? U. This says What does it say? What does it say? Can you try it by yourself? Yeah, what are our lips doing? My lips open. What are my teeth doing? They open too. What's my tongue doing? It just sits lazy at the bottom of my mouth. What's my voice box doing? My voice box is vibrating. I wonder if this letter can go on forever. That one goes on forever. Let's do my action. It goes like this. U, up, and I'm pointing up so I can remember where my magical umbrella is. Ready? U, up, Do it again. U, up, Can you do it by yourself? Try it. Let's do it together. U, up,
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, A. T, table, T. S, snake, S. P, pig, N, nut, N. I, itch, I. C, cat, K. F, fence, D, dog, D. H, hat, O, octopus, ah. R, rat, B, bat, B. L, lamp, ol. K, kite, K. E, ed, e. G, game, G. W, wind, W. V, van, V. U, up,
Now, this letter sometimes can show up in different ways, all right? Now, generally with uppercase U, we won't give it a kickstand. And this one is showing a kickstand, and you can give it a kickstand as long as it goes up to the skyline. But this is uppercase U. What is this letter? Uppercase U. What is this letter? Uppercase U. What's this letter? Lowercase u. You guessed it. You are getting really good at patterns. Lowercase u. What's its name? Lowercase u. Can you do it by yourself? Wow. What is this one? Do you think that you can help me sort these letters? Uppercase U, Uppercase U, Uppercase U, Uppercase U, Uppercase U, Lowercase u, Lowercase u, Lowercase u, Lowercase u, Lowercase u, All right, my friends, we are going to write. Do you remember my song? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We're going to practice writing uppercase U and lowercase u. Uppercase U is going to start at the top. He's going to start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, around and back up to the skyline. Let's do uppercase U one more time. Start at the skyline, down to the grass line, around and up to the skyline. Let's do lowercase u. Lowercase u starts on the mountain line. So we're going to start on the mountain line, go down and around to the grass line, up to the mountain line, and then we're going to come back down to the grass line to give him a little kickstand. Let's do lowercase u one more time. So we're going to start on the mountain line, go down and around to the grass line, up to the mountain line, and then we're going to come back down to the grass line to give him a little kickstand. I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tap the sounds. Can you say up? Tap the sounds. Did you say up? Now say cup. Tap the sounds. Did you say k, up? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. B, d. Did you say bud? B, m. Did you say bum? You have learned all about the letter U. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter U. If you have finished the page on your own or with an adult and you are ready to move on, you can color the letter U on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.